Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So we had a pretty nice push down finally on the Euro dollar today. Went right back to the 38%, took out the previous lows, and now it's pulling back. Now, is this just going to end up continuing the uptrend? Because the monthly and the weekly is or are still in an uptrend, I am definitely watching every single one of these Fibonacci levels for a possible continuation of the uptrend. But taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, what do we know right now? The only thing we potentially know is that this wave from here to here is over. This potentially could go up, make a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level, and make us another sort. Or it could possibly respect that Fibonacci level from the 4 hour time frame and just go all the way up and break structure. We really don't know what it's going to do. The only thing we really know is we got a fib bounce. Now we're gonna have to put our Fibonacci retracement from here to here and just observe the market to see if it goes to one of these Fibonacci levels and continues down, or if it really is just gonna end up continuing the weekly and monthly time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.